Okay, hi, my name is Alana. Hi, my name is Alana. I'm gonna play my Disney Princess Challenge. I'm still in the snow generation, but I am getting to the next level. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try and update the house. And while I was gonna try and keep all the kids, sorry, the audio just cut out there. I was gonna try to keep all the kids in the house. We figured it'd be easier if I just like move the college kids out. So we're gonna do that and upgrade the house to make it more suitable for 4 people in the house at that point. I think that's all I need, and that's all. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm really gonna show you the rules and stuff. Like here, I'm gonna do this right here, but and over here, bam. I can see it again. Okay, hi. I'm in the corner in the way. Okay, give me a second. Whoop-a-doo-boo. There we go. Generation 1, Snow White. She's a female. She had 7 children, which is the dwarves. Each child must have 1 negative trait. I did that with every single one, except for Dopey. He's still a toddler, so he can't have a negative trait yet, but he'll get one when he gets a little older. Possibly today. Each child must have the same father. They all have the same father. Each child must achieve something before their teenage years. This can be reaching level 5 in a toddler skill, reaching 3 in all toddler skills, completing their childhood aspiration, or becoming an A-grade student in school. They've done all of these. Well, not the child aspiration, but I know they all did like grades A in school, and they did like level 5 and at least a toddler skill, and they reached level 3. I know they did some of these. They did a lot, so they're good on that front. They're good. Snow may never answer the door to strangers or talk to elderly women. I don't think we've had people come to the house, so I think we're fine. Parenthood. Each child must age up with at least 1 positive character trait. This number can be increased if you're looking for more of a challenge. I am just going to stick with the 1. I think I got my responsibility as my trait. I gotta check it out. I think they're all pretty good. Soon enough, we're going to have Cinderella. Our Cinderella is still a child. She's still called Happy Cindy. But once she becomes a teenager, which is when this is supposed to begin, right here, I'm going to have her change her name to Cinderella, so she like fits the role again. So very exciting. Damn this hair. Sorry. Although you had 6 brothers and sisters, you always did the cooking and cleaning. Yet somehow you loved it as it transported you away from your chaotic home life. And when Cinderella becomes a teenager, yes. She must have the neat and foodie traits. I'll add the foodie when she's a teenager. Must clean the house every day and cook every meal. That one's going to give me a little trouble, but I'll have to figure that out. May not marry until her mother dies. This does not have to be of old age, but it may not be cheated. And have a maximum of 3 children. So that's what we're looking forward to. Yeah. Disney Princess Challenge. Let's play. Let's get into this. Move out those college kids. I gotta figure out who's an adult in this. Okay, I'm gonna go into the gamer for a second. Figure out who's an adult, then exit to this little page over here, and try to move out the college kids. Cause I wanted them here, but it's also like don't want to stress out so much over the college parts of it. Yeah. Come on, load up. Now I'm trying to redo the house. Try to make it a little more suitable for like the 4 people in the house. Well, 4 or 5. If one of the okay, see, are you how old are you? Oh, you're a high school student. Okay, never mind. You're still a teenager. You are a teen. You actually have 46 days. Sneezy's a teen. I thought he was an adult. Okay. Well, I guess we're moving out Grumpy and Sleepy, and that's it. Thought I had more adult kids. Manage worlds. Just go to manage worlds. I thought I had more adults, but I guess I don't. I only have 2 adults, kids in the house. Okay, over here. Let's go to this one. We're going to click this. Manage a household. Transfer between households. Sleepy. And Grumpy are going to be in a new household. There, I don't know, this is weird. We have a lot of money, so I'm gonna give them 20,000 to get them started off in their new life over in another household. And then I can go in here and play this, and I can edit the house, because most of the kids are at school, and the mom should be at work, I think. I don't know what day of the week it is, so she can't be at home. Well, we have a toddler at home, but still, it's fine. I can just build around the child. Build around the little boy. We got our kids, our high school kids, studying hard. We got our little dopey talking to mom in the hallway, which I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna get rid of all this. And Snow here. Okay, build mode. No, build mode. Stop. Okay, who did I have? What? This is Cinderella. Yeah, Happy Cindy. Sneezy. Okay, actually I might do this. Like, move the beds for now into the out here so I can know who is in the house. Grumpy. You're not in the house. You're not in the house. You are still in the house. And so are you. Everything else I can probably just sell. But I want to move the computers. Because I have computers here, but I'd rather the computers be under the people who still living here house. Not the kids are going to be like selling those. Sell these. Sell these. I got decorative collectible plates. I want to sell these two. I want to save these plants. Inventory. 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 I like this little garbage can. And this is cute, but I can hold off. Oh, I'm saving this because this is from the mom's job. Everything else, though, I think... I don't... Where's this chair? Brand new setup. Okay, let's see. How do we want to set up this new house? I'm not the best with buildings, so... Can I move? Thank you. No. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah. Why not? I don't know, I'm liking the platform houses right now, so I'm kind of trying out some new stuff. You... Like everyone gets brought up a couple full levels, but like the Cinderella room maybe? Ow, my eye hurts now. Ow. Yeah, kind of like that. We should split these rooms in the back up a little more. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. Maybe I should leave this up here right now. And then this one. And then maybe I put Cinderella in the basement? Maybe? And bam. And I also put a basement tool. I did not know the thing. That's new. Oh, okay. Cannot. Custom rule tool. And also attached to this. You. I'm thinking I also might get Cinderella a like fast food job because you know she's Cinderella. It kind of makes sense. I can see again. Now I think everything these doors won't fit because it's like too short or whatnot. And I'll do you here, 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 and here. I'm not quite decided what I want to do in the room, but I want to set them all up. This is the ready to go. Look at all this. Look at all these beautiful rooms. I might have too many, but I'm gonna stick with it. This is my weird shaped house. A weird little basement for Cinderella to sleep in. It's kind of makes it for the character. I don't know. Fits for me. Let's get some simple carpets. No. Okay, I'm gonna temporarily pull the beds out so I can have them now. Okay, they're too tall now. Got it. Dang it, they're too tall. I can't fit them anymore. So I get different kind of beds now. Okay, well I guess I'll just pick random carpets for each child. You. Mom's room. Sneezy's room. Should have been an attic for Cinderella. Why an attic? Because of the movie? Well, I don't want to build an attic, so I'm going to just keep it in the basement. But I kind of get what you're saying. Thank you. And then down here, I guess, I think I do still want Cinderella to get colors. Maybe we should get like the boring colors. And I gotta do like tiles in certain areas, like bathrooms and stuff. That's Cinderella's bathroom. This could be the bathroom for all the kids. Why not? I don't like wood usually, but I'm gonna go with it for this house. Oh, not that one. That should be something else. Okay, I'll figure that in a minute. Oh, I gotta access this room. Okay. What am I doing? I need doors. I don't need this to be this big. What am I doing? But I like it even. It's not even. How is it not even? Oh, gosh. Well, then I guess I'm gonna switch the... That's gonna be Mom's room. That's gonna be the kids' room. Where's my grass? That doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. Okay, that kind of bothers me, but I'm ignore it. I'm ignore it. I'm ignore it. I have a lot of hallways. I should connect them together, shouldn't I? Probably. Get rid of you. This is one long hallway. That makes sense. Kids' rooms. 2, 3, 4. Okay, got. Yes, this makes some sense. Okay, colors. There's that one. On myself. Wait, I need this anyway. You go here. Oh, you don't need this, Mom. You don't need one like this. I'll figure it out in a minute. Her room's very squishy right now. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. Her room's very squishy. I'm gonna shut everything down here until I have everything I need. This is Mom's room. She'll have her her teacher desk one. One here, and one there for now. So, okay, 100. 100. Oh, I did. Get rid of We got the rose bushes still, which I can still like attach to the front of the house. So she still have her extra income. And this, and this, and this. And this, and this, and this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Mom room gets this on the wall. Kitchen. I still have room for this guy. Bam! The kids will get their little play set. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. I need more floors. Like kitchen stuff. I need not walls. Well, wait a minute. Floors. Floors. Ugh, I kind of hate it, but wood. It's fashion hardwoods. What in the world? This area would be like a little like living room, so I should have another kind of carpet. Should I have a fancier one or no? No, it's the plain one. Just get a nicest color one. Sure, that works. Okay, I need walls. So this should be everything floor-wise. I need walls now. So I like paints. I'm gonna paints. Shift. I'll do the same for the bathroom for her. But for the kids, they'll get like a more that color. I'll use the brush to be a little more fitting with their floor. It's kind of boring, but I guess it kind of fits. Let's get a simpler color for that area, and her room can match. And then you take some new colors. You get that. You'll get that room. Some of the walls will kind of match a little bit. I think right now, let's stick with it for now. And kitchen-y, lighter color. Living room also needs a lighter, not a pink though. No, not pastel. Probably one room to do. Okay, now you hallway, actually. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs, and this is like how that is up here. What should we get on that now? Now I have the furnishings. I have a lot of money, so I have plenty for that. Now this is the kitchen. For now, Mom is still doing the cooking because she is a Cinderella's like child. Once Cinderella's a teenager, I'm probably gonna lock this door right here so that only she can get in the room. And I'll just pull food out for everyone else. It's like, here's your food, enjoy. Okay, what kind of fridge do I want? Get up there. There you go. Why not? Get the more expensive fridge. And some of the stove. Match the colors too. You gotta match. Everything gotta match. Some countertops that kind of fit with the theme. You don't match at all. What kind of? That was weird. Not you. Not you. What color am I looking for? You don't really fit either. You're definitely not gonna fit. That's a gray. Do I want islands? I mean, it wouldn't really make a lot of sense. Walls up. Get over here. Let me get rid of the wall here. And kind of just do a little bit of this. Maybe just incorporate this one as well. No, keep that whole wall. Get rid of this one individual wall. There, so you can kind of see in the kitchen. With the walls up, you can see in the kitchen. If I lock the door, you wouldn't be able to access the kitchen. So I could like add some. I put the food here. You can add some stools out here. They want to sit here as well, they can. But once Cinderella is old enough, she can just like have this be like her area to do her stuff without having anyone to bother her. They'll lock this door, no one can get in there. But they can get their food still because I have the island here. Logic. Alrighty, let's get some more stuff. That's like the kitchen-y stuff. Anything else in this kitchen-y stuff? This is a drink tray, no. A tea magic personal brewer, no. A cupcake factory. I think this thing is huge. Look at this thing. Why is it so big? No. Just no. Ooh, a dishwasher. That'll be nice. You don't match. You don't match. You don't match even the others. Colors. I like that one better anyway. It kind of somewhat fits a little better. She's got a dishwasher to do stuff with. I gotta get her a sink. I'm thinking of Cinderella right now, so yeah. Alarms. Okay, here we go. What's next? I'm I'm not getting a cafeteria at all, or any sort of chef stations. I mean, it seems kind of cool, but like, no. And the full disclosure chef station. Wow. Like, look at this thing. No. No. I was interested, but no. Do I want to schmapple macro? I'm doing it. Why not? It's a nice little kitchen setup. Now. No, other rooms, other rooms, other rooms. It's the living room. Okay, we need some somewhat cozy seating. There are you. Is there any, like, little chairs like that? A cuttlefish sofa. Pillow fluff. Wow. Actually, I might consider that. This is kind of cozy. You and you. That should be enough for the house for now, at least. I want TV. And I would put this nicer TV over here. I'm gonna add... I can actually add a end table and not feel the squishiness. Coffee table, not end table. What am I saying? I want a simple coffee table. Don't think too fancy. And bam. Now, anything else will go on top of that. Slick Beats by DJ Sudoku. Okay. I'll get a Lindsay speaker. Why not? I think it makes sense. I don't need an accent table or like decorations or window coverings. I don't want a fireplace because I know it's gonna catch a fire. Like, just no. I'm not gonna add clutter to this room yet. I'm gonna leave it plain for now. Bedroom. I can put you actually over here with the bed over here. That makes a little more sense for me. Double. I'm not gonna need no fancy bed like that. Let me get you this one to get a little comfort, but not something too fancy. You want mirrors so you can practice your stuff. Like, she had the charisma and stuff she used to do. That works, that works, that works. These are clocks. She has a clock in her room. She doesn't need a bedside table either. She ceiling things. Do I want to give her a fan? No, no. Now go to the kids' room. I was giving them these beds, but I think I was switching up because I've been doing that for so long. I'm gonna try and change it up for the kids. Give them a little like difference. Maybe I can continue the kind of theme as the mom, like do different color schemes. I haven't had this chair yet. Do I have one? I have you. I don't need you. So, okay, discretion sleeper. Okay, who has what? Okay, so we have a toddler, 2 high school kids, and 2 children. So we need one of them to be a toddler room. I'm thinking this room. I'm gonna have to color this one. And there. Now this room's gonna be for one of the other kids. I think this could be for the girl. I don't think I have enough rooms. A toddler, 2 teens, and a child. Yeah, I don't have enough room. Rooms wise. Older sister sharing with younger sister. For now. I will eventually change that, but for now I'm gonna leave it as is for now. And I go down to try and give Cinderella a bed. Hope I have enough room for a bed. She can't move this room yet, but I will fix that. I could put you in there or in there, but I need a bathroom too. I was hoping the laundry would be down here too. Maybe I could put the laundry like in this area, like a top-down dryer washer situation. That could work. We'll figure that later. Upstairs. The kids, oh wait, toddler stuff. Toddler. I'm gonna give this kiddo this cutie bed. He'll have a desk, but he doesn't need one until he's a little older, so whatever. Let's try and get the toddler stuff first. I'll give you... I don't need a webcam for you. You don't need it. You do not need that at all. Toys. I can finally put it in with you and not have you be with that one yourself. I'm changing the stuffy too. I'll go with the regular Skelly Bear because it's cute, because why not? Your toddlers. Okay, here's another bookcase. I'll give you a cute little bookcase, little buddy. You need a potty. This is the toddler room. I need more stuff. There. Sorry. Thinking and movement, potty, imagination, communication. That should be everything. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so the girls' room. Now the other 2 are sharing. Cinderella's stuff in the basement. Okay, bathrooms. Toilets. You know, I just realized I have a whole bathroom for this kiddo. There's your toilet in there, kid. Nice. Alrighty. And one more in the basement for Cinderella. I just realized. No, they're right height. I thought they were different heights. Now that's that, and you bathroom sinks. And I'm gonna go with this one. No. You. I'll adjust it in a minute, but this is how I'm doing it for now. And you. That works. Okay. You. Showers. So no, I guess that one. Sounds mean, but I'm sorry. Mom gets this one, so she can bathe her child as well. Everyone else gets either simple bath, showers, or something. Girls had to share. Go there. Go there. Bam. This boy. There we go. Right now, the little toddler gets to go right there, so that he can also get a right there for now. And this one gets here gets a bam. Everyone gets like a bath shower except for this one right here, which is gonna be more of a for guests, which we never really have any, but whatever. There's that. The kids' rooms are all set up. I think we're good on those. Wait. I need more things. Mirror. The source. Okay, no. Do. That boy needs one himself. One of these girls was, what, video gaming or something in front of me? It was a child, so I don't have anything for her yet. So I think one's good. There. I need to find the more laundry-ish stuff. Because I want to get some laundry stuff too. Then... there. Three areas to have the hampers. I'm not using any of these mannequins for anything, so no. Where is it? Where is it? I said appliances. Excuse you. What are you doing? A waiter station. There we go. Although right now the girl can't really use it. And now the girl can come downstairs. You are the washing machine. You're the dryer. Right now I'll put it right there and then hope it all fits. Okay, let me assign this bed to... assign this... no. Assign this bed to... okay, since no one's talking, I can't assign beds to people. Great. What were you doing, Mom? Child, what do you need? You're hungry? Okay, do we have any food in this fridge for you? Not a single one. Mother, mom, character, Snow White. Cook for your child. Make an apple pie. Make an apple pie. Okay, now you're cooking, but later on you won't need to anymore because you're gonna have your youngest daughter cook for you. Chicken stir fry, party size. Come on, get this all set up. Okay, what's going on here? Okay. You're late for work? Go to work. What are you doing? No. Everyone's talking about a birthday. Okay, ask a friend for Happy Cindy. Go to work. No. Go to work. No. Oh. Frick. Frick, frick, frick. Can I move? Thank you. Although I change the color of you. Nope. Go to work. Send to daycare. Bashful is next to a new kid at lunch when he spies something pink in his lunch bag. Is that a bib? The kid smiles nervously and claims that he got his baby sister's lunch again. Then the bib falls out where everyone can see it. Should he pick it up or just ignore it? Ignore it. While leaving the bathroom, Doc notices that her chief academic rival has left her notebook sitting on the sink. It's got notes, homework, and lots of other important information inside. Should Doc return it to his owner or just toss it in the trash? Return the notebook. Okay, someone, they couldn't find it, so that's good. The rival takes it and then blames for taking it in the first place. Doc can't get past A. Okay, wait a minute. What are these grades at for these kiddos? High school A. You two can age up and get out right now. Get out. Let's save real fast, guys. Give me that. Open. Do you also have that? Oh, you do. Ooh. You come blow out the candles. And you come blow out your candles. Whee! Doc aged up. Can they not just keep her... Okay, she wants to be the chief of mischief. And she's a geek, perfectionist, slob. Okay. And then he wanted to also be a chief of mischief. Oh wait, no. What were his? Ah! I think he wanted to go to college. I hope. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Because I'm moving him out anyway. He's romantic. Oh, yeah! Add birthday candles. Add birthday candles. Whee! Okay, you too. You know, I'm moving you out. Manage worlds. Save and go to manage worlds. Whatever. Move them out. Stretching. In this little house. Why does it still look the same? Not in world, you guys. You and you are moving out. Have fun. Bye. Well, now it really is the few kids. Okay, now I gotta change the house again? Or let's get rid of... I have an extra room now. Send to daycare and pause. I said pause. What grade are you at? Grade C? Do your homework. You are grade B. Assign this bed to yourself. And now assign this bed to your sister. Happy Cindy. Now I don't need this anymore. I'll keep this. This would be this kid's room. I have an extra room now. What am I gonna do with it? I don't know. Ah! Well, I'm gonna sell this desk. So the little toddler gets a little more to spread out. Yeah, that makes some sense. Dopey. Bye, Dopey. Kiddo, go to sleep. Can you move? Get out of the house. Go away. Happy Cindy, you clean up your mess. Alright, so I am going to leave this episode off here. I hope you enjoyed and the progress I made. Got the house redone. I got some more progress in, and I'm excited about it. I hope you are too. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!